This is the story of ceramic veneers. When your teeth are crooked, discolored, or jagged, you want to whiten, reshape, and straighten them. Depending on the severity of the condition, there are several options that need to be considered. If the teeth are severely destroyed, they may not be fixable. They are removed, and dental implants are used to replace your teeth with a beautiful permanent crown. If the teeth are severely crooked, orthodontic braces must be used to straighten and align the teeth. The teeth are then whitened, and sometimes veneers are later added. If the teeth are decayed, then crowns that restore and protect them are the best choice. The decay is removed, and the tooth is rebuilt with ceramic crowns that make it look amazing. If the teeth are only slightly broken or crooked, and the main problem is their color, ceramic veneers are the best choice. In an almost painless procedure, the tooth may be slightly reduced, usually the thickness of an envelope or less. The ceramic veneer is then glued to your teeth, making it incredibly strong and long-lasting. The final result? A white, straight, and beautiful smile that lasts for many years.